these weird nutrition bars my mom uses to lose weight. Give me it.
Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today's episode is a very quick one. It's a no-bake keto recipe where I'm going to show you how I make my own protein bars full of mixed nuts, full of high protein, good fat.
It just burns up all your carbs.
And it's very easy to make and it's very easy to have as a snack. So if you're interested to see how I make my own protein keto bars, then please keep watching. I haven't even finished filming this video and half of the protein tray has been devoured by my family. I can't believe it. This is what the protein bar looks like. As you can see, it's just filled with pepitas, sunflower seeds, unsweetened desiccated coconut. It's got chia seeds, got a little bit of stevia, and the twist to this particular protein bar is I've added, as you saw in the making, some rose water. So I'm going to do a taste test. Absolutely delicious. You can have it as a snack. You can have it as a post-workout, pre-workout, before you go to the gym, or you can just have it because you just feel like something that's good for you, full of good fat, good protein. What more do you want? So, on that note, if you enjoyed watching me make this no-bake keto protein mixed bar, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you click that notification bell for all the upcoming videos. That's it for today, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.